Ever find yourself staring at a mountain of clothes, wondering if you really need to fold them all for your next trip? If packing feels more like a chore than the start of an adventure, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Lazy Traveler's Guide, where I, Ryan Brooks, am here to convince you that folding clothes might just be overrated. Today we're making a case for leaving the folding to the neat freaks and embracing a more laid-back approach to packing. Alright, let's dive into the meat of it. First off, let's talk about rolling your clothes instead of folding them. Not only does this save time, but it also reduces wrinkles and maximizes space in your luggage. Think of it as the lazy traveler's secret weapon. Just roll up those t-shirts and jeans like little burritos and toss them right in. You'll be amazed at how much you'll fit into a carry-on, and who doesn't love skipping the checked baggage line? Plus, those few extra minutes saved can be spent on more important things, like grabbing a coffee and a pastry at the airport. Next up, consider the magic of packing cubes. These little fabric marvels keep your clothes organized without the hassle of folding. Toss your rolled clothes into a cube, zip it up, and voila. Your suitcase is tidy, and you didn't even have to break a sweat. They're also perfect for separating clean clothes from dirty ones, so no more rummaging through your bag to find that one clean shirt. And let's not forget the power of a well-packed personal item. Opt for a backpack with multiple compartments and stash your essentials, like a travel pillow, headphones, and a good book. This way, you won't have to dig through your bag mid-flight, and everything you need is at your fingertips. Trust me, a little organization up front means a lot more relaxation later. So there you have it, folks. The next time you're gearing up for a getaway, remember, rolling, packing cubes, and smart personal item packing are your best friends. You might just find that with less folding, you have more freedom to enjoy the journey. Thanks for tuning in to the Lazy Traveler's Guide. If you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button and join me next time for more no-stress travel wisdom. Safe and lazy travels.